it's not all just about doing a zero down. We do have cash buyers. People want to pay cash, not a problem. You know, we all like cash, don't we? And we've also got some 12-month, no interest, no payment loans as well. So we've got a lot of people now, obviously, as we know, moving down from the higher states, New York, you know, California, Boston, wherever else it may be. They're like, oh yeah, I want to get solar straight away. They know they're in Florida. They want to turn it on 68 degrees. They don't want to pay the power bill. So they're like, well, you know what? I'll pay cash for this system. But, you know, I've not got some money coming for a few months. You know, we're selling our house up there first. So that gives, you know, you can get 12 months, no interest, no payment. Gives them the option then to figure out paying the system off. And with the loan payments as well, there's no early penalty fees. So if you do, you know, because a lot of questions as well, people are like, is the loan transferable? Yes, the loan is transferable. But realistically, because you're making money straight off the system anyway, that extra money that you're making from the system opposed to what you've been paying the power bill anyway, you could pay the loan off quicker. You know, some people want to get stuff paid off faster. So they're like, well, we would be paying $400 a month now, so let's pay that off the loan, even though the payment might be $220 a month. So they want to get it paid off quicker. If not, if they are moving properties as well, then they can transfer the loan, but realistically, the system's probably paid for itself at that point anyway.